like there's like a window here, and then there's like a duya nakasabit. And then there's like a daddy here. They're all praying, and there's a mommy with a baby there. The baby's naked, and there's a girl here. They have some plates, and they have three, ano tawag dun, one brass, colored brass. Tawag? Parang malaking, parang ref nila. Tapos, isang ganun.
You mean tapayan?
Oo, may isang tapayan dito. Tapos, meron pa isang malaki red naman sa likod niya. Tapos, meron pa isang maliit na tapayan. May baso na nakapatong sa kanya. Tapos, parang may mga apple o kamatis. Ano ba yun? Hindi ko alam. Parang may isda din. Tsaka may ore. Kasi nga, parang malapit nga din talaga sila sa river or sa dagat. Kasi, meron silang ore. Tsaka meron din silang fish. Diba? Sila kumuha. That.
So for you, the family
And then
is...
yung, it's like poor or rich, I don't know. Tapos parang nakaganto yung daddy niya. That?
Paano?
Like nakaganon.
Okay. And then, how about the mom?
She, sitting on the floor. Like that. Like that. Carrying the baby here.
Mm-hmm.
And also, I forgot the hands.
How about the other child?
Nakatalikod.
Nakatalikod.
The suit is the damit is like red, and then there's a butas
On her back.
Yeah.
Okay. So, this is what you can picture it in your mind, what Vicente Manansala painted. But
Tapos,
what...
parang yung wall niya.
Sige.
Parang yung wall niya, parang may mga, parang naka-cross. Tapos yung type, parang mga gawa sa bamboo planks.
Okay. So,
Pipicture ko siya.
yes, that's the goal, right? In your memory, in your mind,
It's here. It's the picture. I can see the picture.
that's how important art appreciation is, the observation part.
Whoa.
But can you tell me, what do you think Vicente Manansala is trying to tell those people who would take a look at it?
I don't know.
Mhm.
I don't know.
Okay, what do you think when he saw that family? What do you think Vicente Manansala said about his family?
I don't
Siguro this family is, what are they doing again?
poor.
They are
Praying.
poor, they are praying.
I don't know if the house is small or big.
Okay. But you know they are a family that lives near an ocean or a river.
Yeah. Or maybe a stream also.
Huh?
A stream.
A stream.
Or ang bay ba? May fish?
Pwede din po.
Bay? Wala. Bay.
May body of water.
Pwede ba ang bukal? Meron ba ng fish?
May?
Ang bukal? Ang kaganda naman ito. Lamig.
Okay. So, when the family prays, what does it mean for you?
Siguro they're thanking the food.
You're thinking they are
It's like
thanking
they're
for the
poor.
food.
Thank you for our food. Because we're poor. Buti nakahuli tayo ng fish sa dagat, sa ocean or sa body of water. Pero nagpapasalamat sila na binigyan sila ng Lord ng fish na mauhuli.
Okay. So, if you think they are glad or sad?
Glad.
Still glad.
Glad because they have food. Thank you. Thankful because you have food. You can be alive.
Okay. What do you think? Is it kamatis or apple?
Parang kamatis.
More on kamatis.
Kasi di ba fish may kamatis tsaka toyo.
Pwede.
Tapos parang may nakita ko parang platito means parang may platito ngay.
Nalagyan nga ng toyo.
Yummy.
Prutas. Ano pang prutas? May prutas ba sila? Parang wala. Okay.
Baka nasa mga baka nasa loob ng, yung parang mga red or mga, parang
Ayan.
ref nila eh.
Okay.